Okay, just packing up the car. We're going to be heading out to the cabin for Canada Day and the 4th of July. Just thought I'd show you what I have in the car here. I nestled all my firewood. Ah, there we go. That's that. The big box of bang. So let's do an unboxing. There we go. We got some Hell's Gate. More Hell's Gate. Sparklers. We've got some 15 shot. We got cakes. We call them cakes. We got some air bombs. And over here, Full House. So I bought them from this shop. It's located close to our place. It's on a native reserve. They're the only ones allowed to sell fireworks. And they had a video. You can watch all the videos of the different types of fireworks ahead of time. So I'm pretty thrilled. A whole bunch of us up at the cabin all threw like 20 bucks in and went together on this big box of fireworks. So we're gonna have a blast this weekend, so to speak. Anyway, thanks for watching.